Hello, my name is Teresa Yamson, and I'm the CEO of Phyto Rikergh Pharmaceuticals Limited. We've had an exciting journey over the last 4 months with IPMC, where we've actually put the ebizframe to work here in our organization. It's covered all the various modules for our different departments, looking from sales all the way to manufacturing, finance, HR, and even through QA and QC. It's actually given us a better insight into how our business operations works, linking the various modules and having real-time data on our organization so that then we can move forward and take the best decisions. We look forward to using this effectively and also having better working relationship with IPMC going forward. Thank you once again.